Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the exact network path, ensure you have working credentials, and decide if the drive must persist. Now act. Open File Explorer, choose Map Network Drive, pick a free letter, paste //server/share, check reconnect at sign in if needed, then finish. If you prefer command line, run netuz //server/share/user, domain /user/persistent yes. Once done, make sure the map letter appears and you can list files. That proves basic connectivity and access. Next, you handle the middle, more detailed steps. Set proper share permissions on the server, then align NTFS permissions so users actually can read or write. If transfers fail, check SMB protocol versions. Older devices may need SMB1 versus modern SMB2/3. Configure firewall rules to allow SMB ports, and if the server name fails, add a host's entry or use the IP. Once done, test large and small file copies to validate throughput and permission boundaries. That proves the mapping is robust. Finally, you complete the setup. Create, edit, and delete a file to confirm permissions and locking behavior. Verify timestamps and share quotas if present. Then, make the mapping durable. Deploy via group policy, logon script, or set/persistent. Yes, so users don't remap. Backup critical data and document the drive letter and path. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: re-authenticate with the exact account. Check DNS resolution, or use the IP, and inspect firewall and SMB errors. Fixing those usually resolves access failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.